Hi. We're going to work on our word definitions today. There are two versions of this. So if you do not have this page, then you can look at the other video for the other version of the vocabulary definitions. So first things first, if you can, cut out your vocabulary icons so that we can paste them onto the correct definition. I'll read the words and then we'll just get started. Our words today are family, help, wild animals, wildfire. So one way you can work on this as well is take out your vocabulary sheet, the ones with the big icons on the very front of your work packet, because those will tell you the answers. Or you can just follow along this video. So the first definition says, an uncontrolled fire that burns large areas of wilderness. So which word is an uncontrolled fire that burns large areas of wilderness? Is it family, help, wild animals, or wildfire? The answer is wildfire, because the word fire and wilderness, wild, is in the word. Number two, the second one says to give aid. Aid. So aid means to support someone, to help someone, wink, wink. Is it family, help, or wild animals? The answer is help. To give aid is to help someone. The next word, animals that live in the wilderness. Which word is animals that live in the wilderness? Is it family or wild animals? Wild animals live in the wilderness. So for example, we have koalas, kangaroos, billies. Other animals that we know are like tigers and lions and bears. Those all live in the wilderness. Maybe not necessarily in Australia, but just in the wilderness. They're all wild animals. We don't keep them in our homes or anything, or we're not supposed to at least. A group of people related to each other. There's only one left, family. So family includes people like your mom, your dad, your brothers, sisters, cousins, aunts and uncles, grandparents. All those people are your family. So we'll read it one more time. Wildfire, an uncontrolled fire that burns large areas of wilderness. Help, to give aid. Wild animals, animals that live in the wilderness. Family, a group of people related to each other. And so also, as a reminder, you can also look for these words in your AAC, your talker. Some of these words might be easier to find than others. You might be able to find fire, help should be there, family should be there. Wild animals, I'm not sure, but you should definitely have animals in your AAC. Okay, bye-bye.